Hello everyone, welcome to your computer class. Today I am going to start with a new chapter of computer, more about the keyboard, chapter number 4. As a starter, a question is given for you in your book. Color the alphabet's keys with yellow color, number keys with green, and the special keys with pink color. So now to all of you, I will explain what are alphabets keys, numbers keys, and special keys. Then you have to color it. Can anyone tell me how many alphabets are there in English? Yes, you are absolutely correct. There are 26 alphabets. So, here also 26 alphabet keys are there in the computer keyboard. Clear, beta? Here in the picture, you can see all the alphabet keys inside this yellow border. So you have to color it with yellow color. Clear? So this picture of keyboard which is given in your book, you will color the alphabet keys with yellow color. Now we will talk about the number keys. Number keys are also known as numeric keys. There are a total of two sets of numeric keys on the keyboard. Here you can see in the picture all the keys bordered in yellow line are number keys. There are total 10 numeric keys from 0 to 9. Here you can see the first set of numeric key present on the top row of the keyboard, which you can see in the picture. The second set of numeric key you can see in the picture is bordered with the yellow line on the right hand side of the keyboard. Now these two numeric keys you have to color it with green color in the picture of the keyboard which is given in your book. Clear, beta? Okay. Now we will talk about special keys. The special keys are used to perform special and unique function. All the keys inserted inside this yellow border are special keys, and all these keys indicated by an arrow in this picture are also special keys which performs different and unique functions. Now you got to know about the special keys also. So now in the picture given in your book, you will have to color the all the special keys with pink color. Clear? A keyboard is a part of a computer that is used for typing. It is a input device. In the previous class, we have learned about the basic keys of the keyboard as we have discussed just now. There are so many keys on the keyboard. So according to their function, they are divided into 6 types. I will show you the type. They are number keys, arrow keys, alphabet keys, special character keys, function keys, and special keys. Now, in this chapter, we are going to know about caps lock key, shift key, numlock key, home and end keys, and Windows keys. So, first of all, we will take caps lock key. Caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type alphabets in uppercase or capital. Once this key is pressed, the caps lock light is on and it means it is active. If you press any alphabet at this time, it will show you in capital letters. And again, if you will press the caps lock key, then it will be inactive. When the caps lock is inactive, all the alphabets which you will type, it will show you in small letters. It means in lower case. We will take the example from your book. Here in the example, The caps lock is inactive, so all the letter you can see here are in lowercase. And here the caps lock is active, so all the letters you can see here are in capital. Clear, beta? That is all for today. But before saying goodbye to you, I would like to summarize all the things we have read. According to the functions of the keys are divided into six types. That is arrow key, alphabet keys, special character keys, functional keys, special keys, and numbers keys. Alphabet keys are 26 in numbers and used to write letters and paragraphs in the computer. Number keys, there are two sets of number keys known as numeric keys, and they are used to type numbers in the computer. Now, these are all special keys which are used to perform special and unique functions. Now about caps lock. If we press caps lock, a light will glow in the computer. It means the caps lock is active. And when at this time, if you will press any alphabet, it will show you in capital letter. Again, when you press this caps lock, it will become inactive. So any letter then you press, it will show you in small. It means in lower case. Okay. Again, go through all the topics which we have read today, and I will be back very soon with the remaining part of the same chapter. So goodbye and stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.